Today we're going to discuss the THOR F-M1SDI-3G-TX RX, SDI Fiber Optic Extender with return RS485 data. Supports full rate HD-SDI at 3G or lower for SDI or ASI digital video. Return path serial RS485 channel for controlling equipment on the TX end. Red link lights on both TX and RX indicate fiber disconnection. Green link lights on both TX and RX indicate proper fiber connection. Supports single mode fiber up to 20 kilometers. Setup is remarkably easy. Connect fiber, connect SDI, connect power. In our test environment, we will be using the THOR HD-SDI PG pattern generator with a testing distance of 25 kilometers of single mode fiber. Our SDI signal chain goes from pattern generator to the transmitter, to the fiber, to the receiver, to the monitor. For point-to-multipoint operation, we will use the THOR F-PLC 1x8 fiber optic splitter. The split chain will go from pattern generator to the transmitter, to the splitter, to receiver number 1, receiver number 2, then to monitor 1 and monitor 2. Using point-to-multipoint, you can split the signal up to 8 times. To test signal strength, we will use the THOR F-FOM fiber optic meter. First, we will test the signal strength using 10 feet of fiber. Next, we will test the signal strength using 25 kilometers of fiber. Visit our website at thorbroadcast.com and find the F-M1SDI-3G-TX RX in the SDI Fiber Optic Extenders and Digital Audio Extenders section. Thank you for watching.